The Sleep Saboteur. 3 nighttime mistakes that steal your rest. Are you tossing and turning at night, waking up exhausted? I know how much you want to wake up refreshed, ready to enjoy your day. Good sleep is the key to staying active and independent, but it's tough when you can't rest. Take Barbara, 67, who barely slept and felt drained all day. She was making 3 simple mistakes that stole her rest. I get it, sleepless nights make you worry about your energy and health, but here's the good news. You can fix these mistakes starting tonight. No pills, just science-backed habits to help you sleep like a dream. Stick with me, because you're about to discover 3 sleep saboteurs and how to beat them for deeper rest. The problem. After 50, sleep becomes harder to come by, your body's natural rhythms shift. And poor sleep can zap your energy, fog your memory, and even weaken your heart. This threatens your ability to stay active and independent. The culprit. 3 common nighttime habits that disrupt your rest. I met Henry, 70, who felt foggy and tired every morning. He didn't realize his evening routine was to blame. Studies show poor sleep increases fatigue by 30% and raises health risks. Things like blue light, late drinks, or irregular schedules mess with your body's ability to rest. The good news. You can turn this around with a few easy changes. Want to know the 3 mistakes holding you back? Let's dive into the first one. It might surprise you. Mistake number 1: screen time before bed. The first sleep saboteur is screen time before bed. Your phone, tablet, or TV emits blue light that tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime. This suppresses melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. A study in the Journal of Sleep Research found that blue light reduces sleep quality by 25%. Margaret, 65, used to scroll on her phone every night. She struggled to fall asleep and felt groggy by morning. When she learned blue light was the problem, she stopped using screens an hour before bed. Within days, she was sleeping deeper and waking up refreshed. Try this. Put your phone away at least 60 minutes before bedtime. Read a book or listen to soft music instead. If you need to use a device, turn on the blue light filter or wear blue blocking glasses. This small change can transform your sleep. Curious about the next mistake? It's something you might be sipping right now. Mistake: too late caffeine or alcohol. The second mistake is drinking caffeine or alcohol too late. That afternoon coffee, tea, or even a glass of wine can keep you awake. Caffeine blocks sleep signals, and alcohol disrupts deep sleep cycles. A study in sleep medicine found that caffeine after 2 p.m. delays sleep onset by 40 minutes. Tom, 68, loved his evening coffee but tossed and turned all night. When he switched to herbal tea like chamomile after 2 p.m., he fell asleep faster and woke up energized. Alcohol's no better. It might help you doze off, but it fragments your sleep, leaving you tired. Try cutting off caffeine by noon and skipping alcohol at night. Sip water or a calming tea instead. Tom started keeping a teapot of chamomile ready, and it made a huge difference. Want to know the third sleep thief? Let's keep going. Mistake 3: irregular sleep schedule. The third mistake is an irregular sleep schedule. Going to bed at different times each night confuses your body's internal clock, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. A study in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine showed that consistent bedtimes improve sleep quality by 30%. Susan, 72, used to stay up late watching TV some nights and go to bed early others. She felt restless and tired. When she set a regular bedtime, say 10 p.m., and stuck to it, she slept deeper and felt sharper. Your body loves routine. Pick a bedtime and wake-up time, even on weekends. Create a wind-down routine: dim lights, read, or sip tea 30 minutes before bed. Susan started this, and within a week her sleep transformed. Ready for a bonus tip to boost your rest? Stay with me. Bonus sleep booster. To supercharge your sleep, try a 5-minute bedtime relaxation routine. Deep breathing or gentle stretching calms your nervous system, signaling it's time to rest. A study in the Journal of Sleep Research found that relaxation techniques improve sleep by 20%. James, 69, added deep breathing, inhaling for 4 seconds, exhaling for 6 before bed. He also did a gentle neck stretch. Within days, he slept more soundly. Try this. Sit on your bed, take 10 deep breaths, then slowly roll your shoulders and stretch your neck side to side. It's simple, takes 5 minutes and works wonders. Do it while your tea cools or after brushing your teeth. This habit, paired with avoiding screens and late drinks, will have you sleeping like a baby, ready to put it all together. Let's make it easy. How to apply it? Here's your plan for better sleep starting tonight. Step 1. No screens an hour before bed. Put your phone away and read or listen to music instead. Step 2. Cut off caffeine and alcohol by noon. Keep herbal tea like chamomile handy for evenings. Step 3. Set a consistent bedtime like 10 p.m. and stick to it. Add a 5-minute relaxation routine, deep breathing or gentle stretches before bed. Start with one change like skipping screens and add the others over a week. Track your sleep in a notebook. Note how long it takes to fall asleep or how rested you feel. Dorothy, 74, followed this plan and said her mornings felt brighter than ever. Keep a glass of water or tea by your bed and set a bedtime reminder. These small steps will help you rest deeply and wake up ready for the day. Conclusion and hopeful wrap up. You've learned the 3 nighttime mistakes: screen time, late caffeine or alcohol, and irregular schedules that steal your rest, plus a relaxation routine to sleep better. These changes can transform your nights and energize your days. Dorothy, 74, ditched her phone before bed, switched to herbal tea, and set a bedtime. Now she wakes up refreshed and ready to garden. You can do this too. Start tonight, put away your phone, sip some tea, and try a deep breath. Drop a comment below and tell me how it goes. I love hearing from you. You deserve restful sleep to stay active and independent. If this helped, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more science-backed tips to live your best life. Here's to deeper sleep and brighter mornings. See you next time.